Today we're going to work through with you how to set professional growth cycles on the InterLEAD connector. For those of you who have been on the InterLEAD connector before, the technique is much the same as for setting goals or inquiries, but we've just expanded this to include the new professional growth cycles. Firstly, you must go to Journal. Click on Journal. Your journal will open up. You then scroll down the page under the journal sharing area to the area called Learning Focuses. To set a professional growth cycle, you need to click on the new Learning Focus button. Click on there. You then need to select the option for a professional growth cycle. Then click Next. When on the next page, you write in your particular professional growth cycle. You can then choose whether you want this to automatically show in future years. You can tag individual categories that your professional growth cycle may relate to. In this case, I am going to choose curriculum. I click away. You can then choose who sees this professional growth cycle. Again, everyone you've shared your journal with, specific people, or nobody. You can also share it, if you wish, on a shared focus group, as we have here. We then proceed to the bottom of the page and click Save Professional Growth Cycle. The next page that opens up is where you can create your professional growth cycle plan. The first thing you'll see is that the title of the plan is your professional growth cycle. Then underneath that, you have the ability to fill in what, why, etc. of how this is going to have an impact on your practice. So the first question you'll see there is, what aspect of my professional practice do I want to grow my capability in? What we do here is we can type in the particular area of your practice. Why is this important? Again, you can fill in what you believe. What do I want to achieve? Where does this link to the key documents? Now, key documents could be anything from strategic plans, annual plans, quality practice templates, local curriculum documents, professional practice documents, etc. And then how does this connect with my school or centre's vision? We then continue down the page and it will ask you, what improvement actions will I take for the individual teacher professional standards? Once you have been through and populated your professional growth cycle plan, you can go to the bottom of the page and click Follow Up. By choosing this option, you will receive an email to remind you to reflect on your professional growth cycle. So in this case, I'm going to choose 20th of May. I move down. If I have any files that I'd like to attach to this professional growth cycle plan, i.e. PDFs, Excel spreadsheets, etc., then I can do that by clicking the Add Files and going through that process. Please remember, you must name your file again. Then I can go down and determine who I wish to see this professional growth cycle plan. Again, nobody, specific people, or everyone. You can then share it as well with your focus group. As you go down, you'll see that your professional growth cycle is automatically ticked, and then you may go through and select the individual standards for the teaching profession, code of professional responsibility, tā taiyako, tapasa, etc. Once you have chosen the particular professional standards or code of professional responsibility, etc. that you wish, you then save your document. As you'll see here, this has been saved, and in this case, it's been shared with 5 other people because I determined that it should be shared across my journal. We then click back to Journal at the top of the page, and we head down And you'll see that here is my latest post. What aspects of my professional practice, whatever I've typed in, will appear in this space. Whatever professional growth cycle that's been tagged, and any of the particular professional standards will also appear here. Those that you've shared this with will also receive an email allowing them to see this professional growth cycle plan. If we go back up to the area around posts and we click view all posts, you will see that this professional growth plan has appeared as the last post. If you wish to go and view all the posts that relate to a particular focus, learning focus, you can click post breakdown. This will open up and it will show you the individual, how you're covering the individual teaching standards. And if you scroll to the bottom of the page, it will show you how you're covering your particular professional growth cycles. If you wish to see the posts that relate to a particular professional growth cycle, you can click on it and it will open it up. I hope this has shown you a simple way for you to input your professional growth cycle, implement your professional growth cycle plan, and share it with relevant colleagues. Thank you.